In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your workday with lists in Slack, 5 minutes. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and sign in to the workspace where you want to organize your tasks. Give yourself a moment to land on the main view so everything is loaded and ready. Next, look for the plus icon that lets you create new things in Slack. Click it to open the creation menu. From that menu, choose List. This is Slack's built-in way to track work without leaving your conversations. You'll see options to create a new list. You can start from a template or from a blank slate. Templates are great if you want a quick structure for things like task tracking or content planning. If you already know exactly what you need, choose a blank list so you can tailor every detail. Give your list a clear, action-oriented name, and if you like, add an emoji that makes it stand out in the sidebar. A good name makes it easy for teammates to recognize and use, and an emoji is a simple visual cue you'll spot at a glance. Now begin adding items. Each item should represent a single task or piece of work. Keep titles short and specific, and use verbs so intent is obvious, like draft update or review design. Press enter to add more items quickly as they come to mind. Customize your fields to capture the details that matter. You might adjust status options, add dates, or include notes. Tailoring fields early helps your list stay consistent and easier to scan. To go further, click the plus icon at the end of your column headers to add new fields such as priority, assignee, or files. Priority helps you sequence work, assignee makes ownership explicit, and files lets you attach supporting documents so everything lives in one place. Organize your view to stay focused. Sort by due date or priority to see what needs attention first. Filter by assignee to review someone's workload or by status to zero in on what's blocked. Use the layout that makes sense for your day and revisit it as your list grows. When you're ready to collaborate, click the share button. Choose individuals or a channel so the right people can see and contribute. Sharing in a channel keeps work transparent and invites quick feedback directly alongside the list. And that's it. You've created a Slack list, customized it for your workflow, organized your view, and shared it with your team. Keep it updated, review it daily, and let it guide your day so you spend less time chasing tasks and more time getting them done.